Hello gorgeous, welcome to 1 minute with Chelsea. Gorgeous, if it is your first time here, you are welcome. My name is Chelsea. Welcome to the second episode of 1 minute with Chelsea. In case you missed the first episode of 1 minute with Chelsea, I'm going to leave the link to that video on the description box so you check that out. Today's episode, we will be discussing on how to make money on social media. Like I said in that first episode, that 1 minute with Chelsea, I don't want to talk much. I just want to hit the nail on the head, if that makes sense. Let's talk about Instagram today. There is Instagram, there is Facebook, there is Snapchat, there is YouTube. All these social platforms you see, you can make money from them. So let's take, for example, Instagram today. How do you make money from Instagram? First question, do I need to have so many followers before making money on Instagram? Like 100,000 followers, 20,000 followers, 1 million followers before I can make money on Instagram? The answer is no. With your 1,000 followers, with your 200 followers, with your 500 followers, you can make money on Instagram. It depends on the niche you belong to. Okay, you have to make your page speak out. Speaking out means the kind of things you post, the kind of pictures you post, because that is what is going to attract a brand to contact you. That is what is going to attract any company to contact you. Like, for example, you cannot be uploading pictures with filters, these dog filters. You uploading pictures with all these funny filters and you expect a brand to contact you. Should my page be known for traveling, fashion? So it all depends on what you want. And one thing I will tell you, to attract all these brands to your page, make sure you put quality pictures. Even if you have 500 followers, if you have 1,000 followers, quality pictures makes a lot. You don't need pictures that you pack crowd, you pack friends, you pack family. No. If you want any brand to contact you, make sure you post quality picture. For example, you bought a t-shirt and the t-shirt, you bought it from Zara. First thing to start, that t-shirt, when you snap with the t-shirt, make sure the quality of that picture is beautiful, the quality is fine, and you're going to tag Zara. You're going to tag as many brands that you want. Hashtag Zara, hashtag this, hashtag that. Maybe even your earring, even your lipstick, even if you are a guy, even your face cap, even your wristwatch, for example. Whatever you put on, even your shoes, you can tag any brand. With that, brand will start to know you. You might be doing it. It will take little time. You say, they are not contacting me. Keep doing it. One day you will see a brand will contact you to ask you, how much will I pay you, so that you can just put a picture, wear our address, snap with it and put it on your page. And one thing, it depends on the engagement. You must not be an influencer at the beginning. You must not be a socialite at the beginning. You must not have 1 million followers at the beginning. You must not have 10,000 followers at the beginning. Think of making money from your social media, from your social platform. Don't use them for too much fun. Don't use them where you can twerk. No brand is going to contact you when you see that all the videos you put is just to twerk. And also, you have to be consistent. Yes, you don't post picture in your page today before you will post next 2 weeks, before you post next 3 weeks, before you post next month. No brand is going to contact you. You have to be consistent, whereby you post pictures every other day. If you cannot post every day, let's say twice in a week, or even thrice in a week, if you cannot post every day because maybe you have other things doing. But I must tell you the truth, you have to be consistent. Yes, because in doing that, brands, they are looking at you. So many are looking at you, they are following you. You don't know, they will see how consistent you are. That is what we give them the hope that by the time they give you a job, you are going to do it as fast as possible. Because if you are that type that is not consistent, it will be difficult for brands to contact you. All right guys, so that is it for today. 1 minute with Chelsea. I will see you guys next week in another episode of 1 minute with Chelsea. If you like it here, please don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't, and hit on that bell icon so that you don't miss videos like this from me. And also, if you like this video, support 1 minute with Chelsea by clicking on that like button. And I will see you guys next week in another episode of 1 minute with Chelsea. Bye.